Setting up your embroidery ring is actually quite simple. You need some cling wrap, you need your rings and your linen. Before you start, mask the edges of your linen. When you leave areas that are exposed, this will fray and it could actually bleed into your linen. So once you've got the edges completely marked, get some cling wrap and place on top of your linen. This will protect the linen from any dirt, from any sweat as you're working. Grab your base and make sure that you place this firmly on top. So I'll be working on this area. So what I want to do is gently click the top ring into the bottom ring, like so that it's taut. To make it taut, just pull down the edges of your linen to make sure that it's nice and tight. Now, when you're going to work on this area, you simply get some scissors and cut the area away. Pull the cling wrap, and now you have an area that you can work on, and the rest of your linen is completely protected by the plastic.